Are you having issues with Tesla's auto wiper? Well, suffer no more, ladies and gentlemen, as Tesla is providing its customers an over-the-air update to fix their auto wiper's performance after many Tesla owners have complained about this feature being very crappy or it lacks proper functionality. According to Teslarati, Tesla has included the auto wipers feature on its vehicles, and it aims to eliminate the manual control of windshield wipers by using cameras to determine what wiper speed will remove rain from your windshield at the proper rate. We are getting closer and closer to full autonomy where you can sleep while the car drives you. So how do we know about the update to the Tesla windshield wipers software? Well, Yunta Tsai posed a reply to someone on X complaining about the issues pertaining to their windshield wipers. Yunta replied, "The new improvement should go out soon. He should know, he's a senior AI engineer at Tesla." Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. We shall see each other in the next video.